Hello, folks. Hey. I'm audible? Hello. Can you just send me a chat between this box? It's working cool. If it, just let me know. Yeah, we're figuring out the tiles. Hey, Devansh. I hope I'm audible to you. Oh, hello. That's great. Yeah. Hey, Devansh, can you unmute yourself and just? Yes, I'm not able to.
Hey guys,
Hey,
hey
folks.
Vedant.
Hey, Vedant. Hey, hello.
Hey everyone, how are you all?
We do have Samiksha too with us, but she's not. Hey, Samiksha.
Hey, hi.
Yep. We are here today with some really good announcement, and we are starting with some mini hackathon. As you all know about the build with Gemma, using this thumbnail behind me, so it's you can just see that build with Gemma is here, right? Yeah. So yep, here we are. After a long time, we are just having a hackathon today, and let's try to feel it. This is a type of kickoff. We are just doing it in online because many of our teams are been just in the queue to be selected and for being in person to the campus. But unfortunately, we'll not be able to do it for them. So that's the reason we are just keeping this for an online session as a kickoff. And here we are today with y'all. Hey, folks! I think we can see the chats here itself. Yeah, you can just try to drop a gamma in the chats, and yeah, try to keep posting the gamma. Yeah. Okay. So how's been you, Devansh, nowadays? What are you doing? So we'd like to have a chit chat first, and then we can just go on this thing.
Nowadays it's going good using AI to solve software problems. I pretty much stopped writing code. I just give AI task and use their output. Feels like a manager to me.
Nowadays, people are using the gamma. So you will not
Yep.
know that what the best plan you need to do or best model you have to do. How's been you, Vedant, these days?
Oh, it's been amazing to be honest. It's primarily caught up in some research work around agentic systems. But yeah, even there, I've been doing a big chunk of my work by just giving prompts. So I just, because of that, it's been quite fun. Yeah. How about you?
That, yeah, that's really great. That even I was when I was in undergraduate, right? So we used to solve all the problems using the research and other things are using ChatGPT. But now we do have multiple types of models where we can just research all over the things. Hey, Samiksha, how's been you these days?
Hey, actually, I've also been using a lot of AI to work around, and pretty much same as Devansh forgot to write the code. That is what I would say. But it's good. It's good. We are learning to save a lot of time and work at a lot faster pace. That's what's happening right now.
Yeah, I think that we are not just forgetting the writing the codes, but I think that we are improving somehow using the AI. I believe in these things, but yeah, it's all about that. Yeah, even I don't know how to add the parentheses now itself because it is missing somewhere in the code, and I need to debug it by using AI itself. That's all. Sure, sure. Hey, that's great. Gemma, yeah, thank you so much for writing Gemma in the chats. Yeah. I know, yeah, people are very excited for today that was going to be selected for this one. But yeah, I would like to give the stats also very soon. But yeah, here we are. So let's start with and now officially that hey, this is me, Aishwarya Gate. I'm a developer at Meteor and a community manager for GDG Cloud Nagpur. So I would like to just give you the introduction of other participants. They were with me along on the stage. So Samiksha is the core team member. Devansh is also core team member who just founded this one. Which basically, once where the GDG Cloud has started, they were the only one who just started with the things where they are on the logistics and other parts of the cloud. I just joined recently, so I don't know more about them. But yeah, the thing is all about that whatever you are seeing today is built by them. It's not by us. And the main person all about this community is our organizer, which is Vedant here. Hey Vedant, can you just say whatever you want to? Because people are more waiting for organizers all the days that hey, the organizer will be there and they will be able to interact with him.
Well, with anything said, organizer is just one of the person who just holds the team together. It's always the team that has made everything possible. That includes people like you, Devan, Samiksha, all the time. Experience has been, to be honest, really great because uh, with all the different kinds of events that we organized in the past, especially Cloud Community Days, it has been really fruitful for me personally and impactful for the community as well because we've been able to actually bring a huge impact. Now, people are not only just interested in knowing what cloud is. Today, the time has come where they are trying to build a bunch of things. It's not like college is the only place where they are learning new stuff. Uh, at the same time, it's really great for us to connect with a lot many people at events and conferences. So I believe it's an overall personal growth for each and everyone here, whether it's organizer, the team member, or the community member. And it's the best part is that at some point I was on the other side as a community member, and currently, then later on as a team member, now as an organizer. And I believe everyone should experience this journey because there's a lot to learn. Yeah.
Exactly. Means even I have also just being into this era that first when I was started in my graduation in 2022, it was something like people were just talking about web development. They want to be a web developer, front-end developer, full stack developer. But now people are want to be a DevOps developer, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer. This type of change I can see in the trend of the technology. They are just moving out the things. And even when it's talk about Google, we do have Google Cloud Arcade programs where people can learn and on their own. Yeah, I believe in that things. Yeah, so yeah, we'll be starting this presentation from today that what exactly going to be covered on this build with Gemma Nagpur. So yeah, here we are with our whole agenda today that here we are with build with Gemma. So whatever you want to, you can just spell it like a Gemma or Gemma. We need to call it both of it. So it's Gemma. It's all about it. But yeah, we know about Nagpur, right? So Nagpur is the Kasakai Nagpur. It's all about us, we guys, right? So Kasakai Nagpur. Just try to write whatever you are doing right now on your home or maybe eating something else. Just try to share whatever you are eating till now. Maybe just looking at this live and just having some drink or maybe chips. Just let us know about that. So yeah, folks, here we are today with Build with Gemma in Nagpur, which is powered by Kaggle and Deepmind. So if you know about the Gemma, which is created by Google Deepmind, it's a type of product which is that. So here we have rituals with us that we are in Maharashtra, and it is how we try to greet the peoples. Namaskar, folks. I hope my namaskar is visible to you all. And yeah, this is me. So yeah, I think that this is how you can just greet me in your comment sections, and you can just write it there, namaskar, or maybe just send the oh wow, someone is eating ice cream. Hey, it's raining outside. Please don't try to be get ill or maybe something like that. Thanks, namaskar, namaskar. Oh yeah, team cute boys on top. Yeah, sure. If let's see the who's get selected for this team and other thing. So yeah, even we in the community, whether where is our technology, whatever things are there, but GDG Cloud Nagpur is the only community I can see which is keeping the things alive as Maharashtra's, right? Because whenever we try to do CCDs, we try to keep it on Maharashtra theme, we try to keep it something related to Maharashtra, we try to keep it the Ripoha like Stima. So you can just see in our monthly events, you might be able to see it. There are a shevai of nashtas or maybe something Taripohas. It might be there in snacks, so you can just be there to be here at our monthly events, and you can just have that Taripoha with us directly. Okay, so now as we are going to start with our agenda, we are not having that agenda. It's to be clear, very, but this is code of conduct. We need to start with this thing as first as possible, because we were just commenting whatever they want to in the chats. Please try to be there, that each and everything is going to be in code of conduct, and we do have rules where you can find your rules and other things on this particular QR code. But yeah, please be respectful. That's simple as that. You need to you don't need to read all these things, but yeah, that's simple as that in one section. One line, that respect peoples, respect ideas, help us to foster a welcome environment wherever everyone can learn and build together. So it's a place where people can come build together. That's the simple logic of the communities. That's the simple logic about all the technologies we are learning till now, right? Okay, so if there are some people who just don't know about this program or maybe the event which is happening in Nagpur on 25th of July. So here we are, the QR code. You can just go on our QR. You can just scan this QR code. I will be waiting for you till explaining what exactly we are going to be here. So Build with Gemma Nagpur is a type of edition which is happening in Nagpur of by collaborating with Kaggle and Deepmind. So this is a QR code where you can find our community event page, where you will be able to find all details about the Build with Gemma. So please try to keep taking screenshot, maybe keep your phones with you and keep your cameras on, and try to scan whatever QR codes comes out, because we do have a lot of QR codes today. We'll be going to end this live really soon. It's just a small live today, because we are just having and giving the agenda what we have covered or what we are going to cover on 25th. But yeah, that's as simple as that. That whatever comes up, might be new, you might be something just trying to be explore the things, or you might have registered but you don't know about the event page. That will also happen sometimes, right? So here we are with the things about this all. Yeah. So this is the main thing, which is all about who we are. That's the main question. Who we are, right? We are human beings. That is clear that we are human beings, but who we are as a GDG group, it's about GDG. It's Google Developer Groups Cloud Nagpur. So you might have heard about GDG Nagpur or maybe the other parts, but this is a very centric community which is about the cloud. When we try to learn about the DevOps, SRE, cloud related things, we are here for you to learn all about these specific things which is coming new to the field now, with the AI, with cloud, with DevOps, with site reliability, whatever, platform engineering. This is how terms we coming to it. So here you can just scan our QR code and be there to check our all the things which is happening under us: events, hackathons, workshops, sessions, and technical talks. Everything you can just find it on this QR code. So try to scan the QR code and join the community today itself to get all the updates directly into your mailbox, right? So please try to scan this QR code. So it's a really it's a very simple definition: a place of students, cloud developers, architecture to come together to learn, discuss, and explore. That is the only agenda. You come with some questions, or maybe some ideas. So you need to learn whatever you want to. You need, if you have an idea, you need to discuss with us. And if you want to explore something in you, that you can be here. So if you have something, a good skill of technology, and you want to be a speaker there, so here we are. You can get a chance to be a speaker here itself. So that's the reason we have kept it like students, cloud developers, and architecture. So if you are a student who wants to learn, here we are to learn, or maybe to give the learning. If you are a person who's good into cloud architecture and good into cloud development, but you have an idea, need to discuss on that, we are here to discuss the things. And if you are a person who's having really good experience of professionalism, you can just have a speaker to us. That's the main agenda about the community, where people are being here and all of. What else your thoughts have been there? I would like to know about the other thoughts also, Devansh, Vedant, and Samiksha. Anyone can goes up and just tell me whatever thoughts you do have in the communities, because these days communities are been lagging, because people are just focusing on the swags, food, and other things. They are not more connecting to the people. The speaker, we are just calling from outside, right? So we're calling speakers from outside, the Google developer experts, but they are not like that. But still, they're still figuring out with the swags and other things. So what are your uh, thoughts on this thing? Anyone can go up. Vedant, if you can.
All right. So for any event that we have, what are the deliverables or the things that you can take at the end of the day? It's not just knowledge imparted by the speakers. It's the thing that is the most valuable, that I always say, is that network is the net worth. So most importantly, the people you connect with, they're not just for that one particular event. They're not just some friends with whom you can go for tari poha, right? These are the people with whom you can eventually keep on building stuff, you can build projects, maybe eventually build your own startup. That is the most important takeaway that you can have from any of the events. Uh, what about your thoughts, maybe Devansh or Samiksha?
Oh, I would actually like to add on to that we always have believed in having a rich quality of events, and that is what we are trying to look at in the future events as well. That's what we are trying to do right now, to have a lot of people who are interested in having a community, a safe space to discuss their ideas and bring the best in them for whatever they are building. So that is what we are trying to do here. Anything else to add, Devansh, from your side?
Yeah, I feel connecting with like-minded people gives you more exposure to technologies than otherwise. And college sometimes becomes so repetitive that you feel you can learn more outside college than inside. So I feel these communities, these events, those new technologies give you exposure to a lot of learning that simply college cannot give. So I think that is the idea of us making the events and participating in it and getting the exposure from it.
That's really true. That whatever we are just trying to plan these things is only for the community. Yeah, I can see some messages that the link is broken. Really sorry for that. I think there might be some issue while creating this presentation, all the things, because I was might be on a dashboard of the organizer, and I just created all my questions and things. But yeah, I think there is an home page where you can just go on directly on Google search and just search about GDG Cloud Nagpur, and that would be really clear for you to get our all the things, all the social medias, other parts, other things, and whatever you want to find about us, you can find directly on the YouTube, maybe on the Google search itself. So this is VR. So yeah, and here is our team. Yeah, we know that there are no Vedant and Samiksha over here, but yeah, I would like to give a short introduction about the names. That if you are able to see this is Vaishnavi, Nikhil. These two are the speakers. They are really loyal to us. That they wherever comes up, whenever we try to host an event, so it's Sanket and Ashutosh. But yeah, there's a speaker. Okay, they are not a team member, but yeah, they are more than teamers to the family, right? So there is Shivam, Devansh, as you know that Devansh is live here itself, right? Gunika, Vidhi, Janvi, and Purva. So this is how the team at the moment we do have. It's a really short team, but yeah, this is the whatever you are seeing right now is being planned by this all the team members. Whatever you are seeing, the post, the whatever, yeah, I would like to say that each and everything, whatever you are seeing right now is all about this. So by created by the team. So this is all the team where you can find, and you can just connect on LinkedIn with them, and you can just ask for how their experience in your team and how exactly it's going on. It's not in corporate, but still, yeah, you can just find it and you can just go on. Okay, so now this is our video. We would like to try to show it for each and every time. So we'll go and just have a recap of the things, how exactly we did it in 2025. So let's have a recap again with I don't know whether Samiksha and Vedanta have been seeing this video or not, but I do see a lot, because each and every event we try to keep it there and just try to show it to them. I hope the audio will be visible. Or maybe the audio will be there. Yeah, that's all the only video we do have at the moment. But yeah, I hope you all know about the video, that what exactly it's all about. So let me check with my screen. Oh, so that's the reason it's been just like that. I had just covered the entire slide on that video. That is the reason I was not able to. But yeah, I hope that was audible to you. You was able to hear the voice and other things. Um, so that was the all feel we had just feel on, and the vibe was there at the event. Do you know if someone was there from our last events? Can you know that what exactly the event was about? Can you know the name? It's a flagship event by GDG Cloud Nagpur. Do you know what the name? Or you can just write a short form in the comment section. I'm will waiting for just a minute. If someone can guess it. It was written there, but yeah, still, I know that if you are just saying that, hey, it was written there. But yeah, but do each and everyone knows about that? What exactly is the short form of that event? I think we have got a new audience. No one knows about this thing, that what exactly that event was about. Oh, that's correct, Tanmay. You just guessed it right. It's GDG CDCC, right? CDC. Oh, what we can say, CCD, right? Really sorry for that. But yeah, Cloud Community Day, that's the flagship event of GDG Cloud Nagpur team. Okay, so you have heard about DevFest and other things. Yeah, but we do have our own flagship event, which is Cloud Community Day Nagpur. So yeah, we try to do it each and every year. And this year, let's see how exactly it's planned about. But yeah, this year you are supporting us to do it in the Nagpur, because here are the links, or maybe here are the QR code. You can scan this QR code and try to join there in the event section on the other part, where you will be able to find all the things all about the CCD itself. So please try to be there. Okay, now all about the agenda. Can you imagine world without the internet? That's a main question. Can anyone answer this? Can you imagine the world without the internet? Even I would like to have the panels answer also that. Can you imagine world without internet? That's a really question, right? That's a really simple question, but how exactly you think on this? It's a single line I need from you, that can you imagine the world without internet? And if you can imagine how it's look like, can you tell me? Devansh, can you start with this?
I feel world without internet would be world without possibilities, opportunities, and maybe development as well.
Right, exactly. Vedant, on your side.
I think a world without internet today would be a world stopped, because each and every one of us has uh, AI or the internet as one of the most essential things today. And I believe that it would be really difficult us to move forward. And truly, whoever, patience is just a virtue, and the person who said that has never experienced a slow internet before. Yeah.
Right, exactly. Tamisha, what's your thought on this?
Absolutely. Like, there's a proverb, a Roman proverb, which says that a room without a books is like a body without soul. I think we have evolved to a world where it won't be actually called a world without the internet. So that's where we are standing right now.
Right, exactly. That's the whole thing. Even I have an example. When I was to be in just an 10th or the 8th, or whatever standard we can just take, before 2010 or maybe before 2012. So at that time, the smartphone was really costly in India, and we don't have a smartphone in our home. As like we do have today, each and every person having at least two phones, or maybe and a single phone on them as a smartphone. But in earlier days, we don't have a smartphone. So we don't have smartphone, we don't have internet, we don't have anything, right? So that's the thing that will not be able to get it from there itself. Just a minute, so all about the things is like that time I was used to open and an encyclopedia to found about, or maybe just try to research about an animal, or maybe any species I wanted to know about. We try to open the encyclopedia. I try to open the solar system books. I try to open the dictionaries also when I need to find the meanings of the words. Right at that moment when there was internet, but it was not accessible to me as a child because my parents doesn't give me phone and other things, right? So that's how exactly I can feel about without internet and the things. So yeah, that's the thing that this is all about. The one I can just think about the things, and other thing we can just go on the one. But yeah, now we would like to cover the things about this is all the agenda without internet, right? When we are talking about without internet, this is all about we come for Google, Deepmind, Gemma. So that is how Google, Deepmind, Gemma is comes to the picture now. Gemma is a family. It's a family of lightweight, state-of-the-art open model built from the same research and technology used to create the Gemini. Sorry, so it's created to Gemini, developed by Google DeepMind. As you all just said, that this is the event which is organized and collab with developed by Google DeepMind and other teams across the Google. Gemma is a name to Latin Gemma, meaning of precious stone, right? So each and every know not over these words, right? So yeah, it's all about the Gemma. So Gemma is a type of a model which can run without an internet. It's something that if you are in plane, if you are without internet, or maybe if you are in rural area where no internets are there, maybe in your village, maybe you're in your grandmother village and there is no internet, there is no network, anything, but still you can work on AI. That's all the agenda about Gemma, where without internet running an AI system on your mobile phones or whatever you think, right? So this is how. So here are our community partners where we can just find our community partners here itself. So Access VNIT, if you know about them. So Access VNIT is our community partner for this particular event. Flutter Nagpur is there. If you want to talk about Flutter development related things and other things, right? And there is an ML Nagpur company, community where we can just find about the machine learning related tools and the technology and learning basis things. So here are the other community partners with Access, Flutter Nagpur, and ML Nagpur. So for this build with Gemma, we are just going to have our in-person venue, which is VNIT complex. So whoever just gets selected for the teams, you just need to go from the Bajaj Nagar gate number 2, which is gate number 2, VNIT. And from that gate, you need to go to VNIT complex. The building name is VNIT complex. So you just need to be there. The selected team will be there. Now we are announcing the selected teams. So I'm just trying to keep it really quick now because we are on the time and we are just splitting the time really quick. So we are, let's go on the selected team. What do you guess? If you are there, just you can just write your own team names here itself. So um, you can just guess yourself that you will get selected or not, or maybe whatever team you do have, you can just try to be there and just try to tell us that, hey, you are from this team and we are here today. We'll wait for this. We'll wait for this till let's see the comment that, hey, you are from this team or not, at least for 1 minute. Mm-hmm. I think no one is joined from team. There are some other people who just joined for this meeting, right? On YouTube live. Okay, so it's fine. No one is guessing the what exactly. If they don't have any belief that their team will be get selected for this build with Gemma. But before that, I would like to give you a few of the reports about the things and other thing, right? So just a minute. I'm facing some technical issue. That's why I'm just trying to Okay. So I'm audible. Hello, hello. Yeah, I think I'm okay now. I'm audible. That's great. That's great. I can see now there are a few of the teams have listed there itself. Trinode, Name Technoverse, TQ Boys, Team Furious, Hallucination Station. That's great. Cold Blooded. That's really great. That's really great. Okay, so I would like to give you some stats that whoever just selected for the teams are from the teams like we do have registration of 600 plus attendees. It's type of, we call it as them hacker. So whenever you are trying to be in hackathon, we call them as a hacker. So we do have 600 plus hackers with us to register in this team and for this build with Gemma hackathon. And that's how it's going to be having stats about the things. And total 180 plus teams were there for you to compete with that. That's how it's going to work on the things like we do have 600 plus hackers and 180 plus teams there. So those who was get selected for this hackathon, these are the teams which has been really impressive to be built there and this thing on the in-person side. So this is how it's going to be. And about the price pool, if you don't know about the price pool, so price pool is all about $2,000. It's a really huge money. If I just convert it to the INR, it's just 1.89 lakh, right? So it's directly been here itself in Nagpur. We are not sending you to directly go and Delhi and then you can just win and you will be get shortlisted there. It's not like that. We are just going to give you here itself in Nagpur 1.89 lakhs, right? So it's a huge price pool where you can just find yourself here itself. But we do have divided that price pool into 5 parts. So first is winner, who's will be the overall winner for the hackathon. Second runner, which will be second runner up, which will be an having a really good overall project submissions and the things. And we do have second runner up, which is third. So it will have that. So first winner going to get $700. Third will be going to get $500. Third will be going to get $300. But we do have one thing more, two things more from our, we do have best beginner teams where all the team members should be of first year. So if you're just trying to be a first year student who's trying to be there and try to build on Gemma, you will be able to win $250 indirectly with the background docs. That's the reason all about this thing that we are promoting to the community side, not for the commercial, right? So we are trying to take these things and take this initiative to whoever wants to learn the things. Even when it comes to the beginner team, we do have some team members who are just trying to participate in this build in the hackathon being in 10th standard. So yeah, you are competing with that people also, that people are maybe the students which is in 10th standard, they are also here in there, okay, in this whole hackathon. Even there is one more task for the girls particularly, the best girl team. So A team should be having all 3 members as girl, and they will be able to win $250 here itself on this hackathon. That is all about the stats. We do have 600 plus hackers, 180 plus teams, $2,000 prize pool. Right? That is how it's going to work. So if you are going to be selected as a team coming to in person, you will be able to win that whole prize pool directly in your bank accounts. That is how it's going to work. Okay, so now it's all about, we are going to end this one soon. And since you have, but this is not a whole agenda of the things. You need to keep this thing watch. You need to keep this thing there itself. Whenever you will find that your team is not there, please don't be demotivated or don't think that you are not able to capable for these things. You do need to do only one thing, that I'm giving the things that we are announcing this today, that you still will be able to work on your ideas and you will be able to submit in the hackathon. Okay, so it's not something that you'll be in person, but yeah, if you want to work on your projects, whatever you have submitted to us, you can work and you can just work on the things. Then you can be there and submit it to the Kaggle teams directly. So we are going to take the submission on Kaggle itself, Kaggle platform. It will be going to open on the same day of the hackathon day, which is on 25th. So you will be able to post and maybe work on your ideas, and you will be able to submit it there. Unfortunately, will not be able to give the things like will not be able to give the price pool or the things, but definitely if you like your ideas and if you think that it's built really clearly, we will be going to give you a shout out on our stories, where you can just find out 1000 plus members are there connected to our Instagram. Our community page do have 4000 plus members, right? So you will be able to find your projects there itself in our newsletter. So yeah, I think that that's a shout out I can give to you at the moment if your team don't get selected. And this is not a single hackathon we are doing right now. It will be going to conduct in more and more hackathons in coming days and coming months. But we try to do it in quarter or maybe in just type of half of this time, right? So it's go like these things. Okay, now let's reveal the teams. So here are the first 15 teams. I would like to just, the slide was getting really less because we do have 35 teams with us. So that's the reason we just made 3 slides for the teams. And here are the teams we are just going to announce it. Should I do it? Oh yeah, I can just do it. No problem. Yeah. So here are the first 15 teams who just get selected. If you are there, please try to try GDG Cloud or maybe Gemma or whatever you wanted to. Just try to just be there and just try to push that, hey, when team gets selected, and you will be there at in-person VNIT. So here are the 15 teams. You can take a screenshot and just post it on LinkedIn or maybe Twitter. So yeah, even in the Twitter, we do have something where we will be able to tell you about all the what exactly price we are just keeping on Twitter. So we do have something really funny and interesting concept on the Twitter itself now. So yeah, you will be able to find that too. But now, as you can see this, that these are the 15 teams which is get selected. So if you can find your own team here, just try to give a shout out to yourself. And that's it all. Let's work on some more 15 teams now. So here are the other 15 teams. Congratulations, folks. You'll be there in person with us on the event day of 25th of this month, and we'll be able to do that. So yeah, please try to find yourself. Try to whatever write you in this Gemma or maybe GDG Cloud, anything you want. Yeah, you got selected. That's great. People are getting here. This their team has been there, right? You can take a screenshot and post it on your thing that you just create a stage 1. So it's not an we are not keeping it as a round, we are keeping as a stage. So there was no rounds. Okay, each and every person was there on single stage. It was no round thing. It's just a thing that we need to work on really large logistics, and we can't accommodate at the moment all the 600 participants. But in future we'll do it for sure. So we will be calling that all 600 people and we'll be there for all things. And let's go for next 5 now. And yeah, so these are the 5 teams, last 5 teams which will be get selected, and there will be there in the in-person hackathon with us on the VNIT. So if you are here, guys, please try to give us the shout out here itself, and just try to take a screenshot and post it on the LinkedIn, on the Twitter, whatever you. So these were the 35 teams which are selected, but those are not get selected. I would say that please don't get demotivated. You can still propose your plan and submit that plan to us in the Kaggle page itself. So wherever you try to find the things, you can just post it or submit your problem statement there itself. Here is the one last thing you will be able to find as we are going to do this thing. Okay, so I would like to show you the website also. So it's something like this. Let me go back with my thing. So I need to run it because we are trying to keep it in our stage. We are not going to keep it like let me check with my team. Yeah. So as you can see, and you can just read all the things that whatever you are able to see here itself, that we are going to run and program and share with love. We call it as where share your experience, crazy moments, the best memories from the build with Gamma Nagpur on the X, and the post will be able to get an exclusive edition from us. So it's an individual program. So you don't need to keep it like you need to post it in the team. You don't need to post it in there something like. But make sure that you will be using this two hashtag for sure, because once you will use this, that only be able to eligible for the t-shirt itself. So Google Gemma and GDG Cloud Nagpur. So please try to use this only hackathon, which will help you to be there at the whole agenda. Okay. And let me show you something really cool, that what exactly we are trying to build on the system, because we are not keeping it live, or we are not going to make it on the to show you on the screen itself. So this is how which we try to create the things, each and every event to be created with anti-gravity, Gemini, Gemma. While using these things, we try to keep it building the things for our technical events. So we try to build some activities behind us. We do have more interactive and more interesting. So let me try to post it and let's see if it is visible or not. I think is it visible or not? So let me just show you the things. npm run dev. Yeah, that's how we can just run the local systems. Okay, so let me take a screenshot of a Steam where today we are here. Let's take a screenshot. I'm just taking a screenshot where I can see all the things here itself. And I will be posting it from my Twitter, but here itself. Okay, so just give a minute. Let me add one more screen here itself. So yeah, there is one. Share me the screen. Here we are. Okay, so let's see, is it visible or not? I think, is it visible to you all? No, it's not. Might be on the. No, we haven't used the chord cloud, but yeah, you can just guess whatever you want to. But yeah, here is the site where you can just post using that, and we will be able to keep it as a wall, tweet wall. We are just calling it, and you'll be able to find your post here itself. So I'm going to post something live today, and let's see, does it work? Hey, we are kicking off the things today itself. So let me check with my things. But yeah, you can around being here and watching the things, where you can be there and just try to post it. And let's see if your post gets up before me. So yeah, we'll be trying to do a competition with you. Okay. So let's do this. So whenever you want to give a demo, your demo doesn't work because it is all about the developer side's rituals. You know about that. Never the things never goes well whenever you want it to. But yeah, if you are working really good and you're just able to open and see the things, I hope the screen is visible and you're able to see the things, right? Okay, let me check with the things I do have on my hand. Able to find the things on my own. So it's taking time a little bit, but yeah. Okay, that's great. Yeah, is the so I do have this one. Let me go back. let me have one photo from here itself, or maybe I can just take a screenshot of this directly. Yeah, I can take the screenshot. I do have the screenshot. I'm just going back to my Twitter account. I'm just trying to post it. And hey, we are kicking off the bill with Gemma Nagpur and adding the hashtag, which is Google and GDG Cloud Nagpur. So if your account is might be new, or maybe something like you just created account this month itself and you don't have any profile photo, please try to update your profile photo as soon as possible, because this website is going to be there for the genuine itself. So Twitter will try to stop it, but that it will not help you to get there itself on the screen. Okay, so I have posted my post, and if you want to see my post here itself, you can just go on my screen, or maybe I can just share the link with this, and I'm pasting my link here itself. But yeah, let's check that it work. Yeah, I think that people are just missing out the things that we don't get any confirmation. That's sure that we are going to send this confirmation today itself, because we haven't shared any confirmation till yet. So that was the reason all about this live. So we're just keeping the things for live, and then you can just go. As you can see now, my post is live. The things which is get popped up, right? The post you can see here itself that I just posted now. So here you can use yourself and use you can things to be posted. So what I can just suggest, try to travel wherever you are traveling, whatever you are doing, just try to tell about till the event day, and on the event day also please try to post about the things. Okay folks, so yeah, that is all about the things till now. Let me close this one. Let's get back to the thing again. This will be the really quick now. With this, we are on the end of this all the agenda. So here we are again with our the t-shirts. So yeah, you'll be able to win a t-shirt from us directly. So here we are with this thing. So you just need to add a post and just add this hashtag to this. Okay, that's all about this thing. We are just ending this one, and thank you so much for joining for today. And those all get selected, please be there at the event, and our team will going to call you to take the confirmation about the things and try to guide you about the all the things needed and the hackathon day. And this is how it's going to work. So keep building forever. We can create the future. That's how the Gemma can say about the things, because without internet, how anyone can think about AI is running on your phone, right? This is how it can go. So yep, we are on the end. Thank you so much folks. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. We are on the time, but yeah, you can just drop anytime us a mail, whatever you wanted to. You can just drop a mail to us, drop a thing, whatever you think, then you can just tell us in your systems. And we do have WhatsApp channel, we do have our event page, community page, wherever you can just drop the things. Thank you so much Samiksha, thank you so much Vedan, thank you so much Devans to be here. We'll see you on the event day. We'll be there with the really good vibes, and let's see how it goes out. Thank you so much. So let's build with Gemma. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye, take care, good night, sayonara.